Namaste, children. I hope you have subscribed to the Sadan Guide Centre. And coming back to the next question, question 3, state true or false. Explain your reasoning. As we have seen in the last two videos, that is question number 1 and question number 2, how to find the cube number and cube root with the prime factorization method. Now let us see how the cube of any odd number is even. So whether is asking you straight true or false. It's very easy to say that true or false, but we have to give the reason also. The cube of any odd number is even. No, because 3 cube is 27. So that's why we write the answer as false. Okay, children? Right. We'll see here. That is, answer is false. Okay, and reason we will write 3 cube is equal to 27, right? Therefore 27 is an odd number. This is your answer. And second one, there is no perfect cube that ends with h, that ends with a. That is, answer also is a false. Why means because 8 comes in 2 cube. 2 cube is what here? 8. So we'll write here 8. That is 2 cube is equal to 8. And also 12 cube is also 1728. That means 2 cube and 12 cube, the both ends with 8 digit. Okay. Next, the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. What is that? True or false? Yes, it is a false. It is a false. Right? And why it is false? Because 2-digit, for example, 10's cube is nothing but how much? 1000. Right? And one more I will take, that is 11 cube. It also is 1331. That means both the numbers, it can be has 4-digit number, which has 4-digit number. So that's why here also I will write the conclusion that therefore all cubes of 2-digit numbers have at least 4 digits. Okay, children, right? Next, the cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digit. He is asking that the cube of a 2-digit numbers have 7 or more digit, right? So that means what? Answer is false. Why? I will tell you. Because that is 99 is the largest 2-digit number where 99 cube can bring 9,70,299. So that means it has only 6 digits. So it cannot be the 7 digits. Okay, children, right? And coming to the next one, that is fifth part, that it says that a cube numbers have an odd number of factors. So what it says, the cube numbers have an odd numbers of factor. Here also the answer is false, children. Okay, the answer is false. And what is the reason for that? because only perfect squares have an odd number of factors. Okay, children, I hope you understood with this, right? So here it completes your third question. Okay, if you like the problem, please do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you, children.